Okay, so you can see in my Stripe account right here, I've been able to generate these commissions on a daily basis right here, okay, even as much as $2,500. And what I'm gonna do is share with you exactly how you can start to generate commissions just like I showed you. And what I'm gonna do is reveal an incredibly simple free strategy anyone can do without experience, without showing your face online, and without even having a following. And before I show you how to start driving traffic, make sure to grab my free toolkit below. It's the same funnel I send all my traffic to, and it's already bringing in $300+ days with affiliate marketing. So the best and easiest way to make $1,000 with affiliate marketing is to promote a high ticket product. This is a product that costs more for someone to buy, but you need way less sales. So clickbank.com is one place you can find these type of products. You just go here, click start here right there, and then you go ahead and answer these simple questions to go ahead and register for an account. Now, once you're inside of ClickBank, you go ahead and log in and access different products. So if you decide to use ClickBank to find products to promote for this strategy, then you want to go to the top tab under Marketplace, and they have all these different categories. Now, for the sake of this video, we're gonna be using e-business, e-marketing. Okay, so once you're inside of the e-business, e-marketing category right there, we want to actually go up here and sort results by average dollar per conversion. And we want to actually look at this right here because this is going to allow us to make a lot more money per sale. Okay, so if our goal is $1,000 with affiliate marketing, if we promote one product that pays us $1,000, then it's going to be a lot easier than making hundreds of sales, making a very small amount of money. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to look at the gravity score because this tells us how well this product's selling. So you don't just want to look at this, you actually want to look at this too and make sure it's ideally, at least 20, at least 30, okay? So we can kind of go through and we want to find one that has a good average dollar per conversion with a higher gravity score. This one right here. So this has $468 per average conversion and then a gravity score of 32, okay? Which is actually pretty good. This one actually has a little bit better gravity score and it's close to the average dollar per conversion, perpetual income 365. I'll just choose this product for this video. So again, with this, you would only need 2 sales to hit your goal of $1,000. So now if you're using ClickBank, you just click promote and you just click create hop link, and then we copy our affiliate link at the bottom right there, and then we can put it in a notepad file to actually keep this handy. Now, a little bit later in this video, I'll show you a free resource that can skyrocket your affiliate earnings. But first, I'm going to share with you how to create a very simple funnel to start collecting leads. So you can just go to a site like system.io, which allows you to collect up to 2,000 contacts totally free. So just go to this site and there will be a link in the description. Click this top button right here where it says start for free now. Put in your best email address and then click get my free account. Now, once you're in your dashboard, you want to go up to the top where it says websites and you want to click sales funnels. And then you want to go to the top right where it says create and we want to click that there. We want to name this funnel. So I can just name it something like affiliate funnel. And then I like to actually go to custom, build a custom funnel from scratch. So click that and then just click save. Now, once we've created it, you'll see the funnel on the left like that. All you have to do now is just click the name of it and it will open in to this page. And then at the bottom, just click add step. Okay, now for this, we just want to name it capture page. For the type, we just want to select squeeze page, which is the same as a capture page, and then just click save. Okay, now once you're here, just select any one of the templates and then just click edit page on the right. Now, once you're here, I like deleting just all of this because a lot of this is not necessary. So just go to the top right, hover where it shows this green, and then this trash can, just click there and then delete. And then just keep going through, and I'm gonna delete all of this and come back in a second. Okay, so there we go. So I deleted all of it, now it's fresh. Now the bare minimum you need for a good capture page to start collecting your prospects' email addresses is a headline, okay? So first off, we wanna click this headline text, drag it over there, okay? Then we wanna go scroll down and we wanna look for form input, drag that there, okay? And then we want to look for button right here, okay? Drag that over like that. This is the bare minimum you need. Okay, now for the headline. So you want to write something compelling, attention grabbing, but something that's also very congruent to the offer that you're actually promoting. So one simple hack you can do is just go to the affiliate link that you're actually promoting, which is the sales page, and just look at like their main headline. okay? Because you can literally just swipe their main headline and then just use that as the headline here, because it's going to be completely congruent and related because it's the exact same headline. So that's looking really good right there. Then what we want to do on this box right here is we want to click on it. For input type on the left, we want to choose email because we want to make sure that it's actually collecting people's email address. And then for the button, we can say something compelling and attention grabbing also. So just click the button. You can scroll down here until you find where you can edit the text. Okay, right here. And then you can just say something like, yes, I'm ready to learn these secrets. That's going to get people interested. And then you can just remove this subtext right there. And you can even make it bigger by changing the button text size. Okay, so now that's coming together very good. You can change this color here also by selecting the button, scrolling down and choosing something, possibly like yellow. Okay, and then you can change the text color to, let's say, black, right? So now that's looking pretty darn good. And of course, we want to save changes at the top right. Okay, we want to click the button right there. We want to make sure it says action when button clicked, submit form, so we can actually collect people's email addresses. And then where it says, where do you want to redirect users after they enter their email? We want to say to a custom URL, and then we want to make the redirection URL the affiliate link that you're promoting. So once people submit their email, it automatically redirects. So let's say that's my affiliate link right there. And then what we want to do is we want to go up and save changes at the top right. Now that's pretty much it for a basic capture page. Now we can just go right here at the top right and exit. Now one last thing is we need to create a campaign that these email addresses people enter will actually be added to. So just go into emails here and then campaigns. And then at the top right, click create. You can name this again, affiliate funnel follow-up. Okay, because we're going to be following up. Sender email address. You need to actually add an email address that you want your emails to be sent to. It's very simple to do, and they have tutorials on system.io on how to do that. And then just click save. Then click the campaign right there. Okay, go to the top right here where it says create. And then you can actually create your first email. Okay, and then we've created it like that. Now go back to the sales funnels. Open up the funnel that you created. And then where it says automation rules, click that. And we need to add a rule that when someone puts their email into our page, it adds them to our campaign. So just click add rule at the bottom, trigger, funnel step form subscribed. Make sure you choose the right funnel and then that funnel step, which is the capture page. And then action, subscribe to campaign, and then choose the campaign that we just created, which would be the affiliate funnel follow-up, and then just click save rule. So now whenever we promote this page and people put their email in, they'll automatically get redirected to the affiliate sales page that may look something like this, depending on what you're promoting, and they'll also get added to our campaign so we can go ahead and follow up with them on autopilot. So one incredibly simple and free way to promote your affiliate links is by using classified ads, which is basically similar to Craigslist, but this is totally free. And this is called the freeadforum.com. Now what this site does is this allows you to post ads and get it in front of over 500,000 members. So just imagine if you could post ads daily on here and expose thousands of people to your affiliate offers, how much money you could actually make. So when you go to this page, you just want to go to the top right where it says registration, and you want to go ahead and create a free account. Now, once you're logged in, okay, what you want to do is you want to go to the top right where it says publish your ad right there, and we want to click there. And that's going to take us to the page to start publishing. Now on this page right here, we first want to select a category. Okay, so depending on your niche that you're in, you could choose one of these. So if you're promoting something, let's say a real estate offer, you could do that. Or maybe you're selling something for sale, or it's a job offer. Okay, but for this, we're going to do business opportunities. And then you can actually even get more specific with the subcategory. So if it's like work from home, business opportunities, okay, if it's has to do with, again, technology, travel. But for this, it's going to be a business opportunity. And then for the title, we want to write something that's compelling, that's attention grabbing, and also curiosity building, So people are going to want to know more information. Okay, so for the title, I actually already have one saved. So I'm just going to paste it in like this. And I have this fire emoji, which is going to catch people's attention. It says new $300 a day affiliate strategy, no website, no experience needed. Now, if you want to actually model this, you can, or if you want to use this exact title, you're free to do that, okay? And then for the description, we want to write some benefits about the offer or the business opportunity, and then end on a call to action with the link to our affiliate offer. Or if we're promoting a funnel, which is even better, we want to put in our capture page link here. So I have it saved right here, and I can just go ahead and put that in like this. So things like this, like emojis, are very good. And this right here is a headline, okay? So whenever you do an ad, you want to have a headline at the top, which is basically speaking to your ideal prospect. So it says, are you tired of overcomplicated affiliate marketing methods? You know, a lot of people that have tried making money online are overwhelmed, right? There's complicated methods, so I'm speaking to that. This simple strategy lets you start earning $300 a day, right? That's related to the title. So this is all congruent, it's all related. And then this right here is a really great thing to include in your ads. It's basically saying that this business opportunity does not have the problems that others have. You know, maybe they've had problems with not being very technical, where it says, look, no tech skills. Maybe they don't like creating content. Well, we say no content creation, no showing your face, no website. It's beginner friendly and only takes about 10 minutes a day to manage. So again, if people are struggling and they see that this does not require more than 10 minutes a day, they're going to be very interested. And then it says, you know, grab the free guide now and see how it works, right? And then we have our link. So this is where we want to actually replace it with our either funnel link or worst case scenario, just directly to your affiliate link. Now it says grab the free guide. If it's not a free guide, you could say, you know, watch the free video now and see how it works, right? Limited time free access, get it before it's gone. This adds scarcity and urgency, okay, getting them to do it now. And then, like I said, you would just put in your affiliate link. So let's say this is my affiliate link right there. You can click and upload any images if you want. So if you do want to add an image to your ad, you can go to a site like pexels.com, which gives you royalty-free images that you can actually use. So if we're promoting something like this, which is a business opportunity, you could either type in something like money or the beach, okay, something like lifestyle, because that's what people want. So I could just type in money and just see what it shows. Okay, so this is pretty good right here. So this is showing, you know, look, if they do this, they could potentially make money. So let's do this one, okay? So I'll click download right there, and it's gonna download to my device. So then we just click right here and we're gonna upload that image. Okay, and the image was uploaded. You can see right there looking pretty good. And then for listing location, if you wanna list to a specific country, okay, so maybe your offer is in a specific country, I usually choose United States because people typically earn a little bit more money and they have more money to invest in products. Region, okay, you can leave this stuff blank right here. Please visit our website. You can go ahead and put in your affiliate link again, okay, just to really make sure that it's actually on your ad. Keywords, you could add in some keywords, but we've already chosen the niche and things like that. And then you can just go down, okay, and look for the no thanks. Okay, so we can do for free and then just click publish. Okay, you can see right here, it says, congratulations, your ad has successfully posted. Visit here to view the ad you just posted. So if we actually click there, we can see that it has this image. Okay, tired of overcomplicated, boom, please visit our website. Okay, and they click there and that's gonna get taken to our affiliate offer where people can go ahead and buy. You wanna do this on a regular basis. The more ads you post, the more visitors you'll start getting to your affiliate links and you'll start seeing your results dramatically improve. Now that you've seen how this works, make sure you grab the funnel I actually use. The link's below, it's free, and it'll help you hit the ground running. Be sure to like and subscribe if you got value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.